Hello students, welcome to class 8 general knowledge video 1. In this video, we are going to watch chapter 21 smart thinking given in page number 24 of your book. Chapter 22 island away, page 25. Chapter 23 surviving the odds, page number 26-27. Chapter 24 country quiz, page 28. And chapter 25 dancing dolls given in page number 29. So let us see the first chapter, smart thinking. Question 1. Tanisa's daughter Radhika needs to be picked up from school every day. Tanisa has arranged for a different person to pick her from school on each day. She has devised a separate password for each day to ensure that Radhika goes with the correct person. If the password for Monday is TRM16 and that for Wednesday is NDW39, what will be the password for Friday? So the answer is, the password for Friday is HOF56. Let us see how. Let us see the explanation. For the first letter of the code, a series of 20th, 17th, 14th, 11th, 8th and 5th letter is taken for the days. Like the 20th letter is T for Monday, 17th is Q for Tuesday, 14th letter is N for Wednesday, 11th letter for Thursday, 8th for Friday and 5th for Saturday. The second letter in the password has the series of 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th letter for the first letter of the spelling of the name of the day. Okay, we have to see from the first letter of the spelling of the name of the day. Like the 6th letter from M is R for Monday, 7th letter from T is Y, that is for Tuesday, 8th letter W, D for Wednesday, 8th letter from T is Y for Thursday, 10th from F is O for Friday and so on. The third letter of password is the starting letter of the spelling of the name of the day. The starting letter of the spelling of the name of the day will give us the third letter of the password. Like the starting letter for Monday is M, for Tuesday T, Wednesday W, Thursday T, Friday F, Saturday is S. The fourth letter of the password is the number in which the day falls. Like the first day of the week is Monday, then the second day of the week is Tuesday, so 2 for Tuesday, 1 for Monday and 3 for Wednesday, 4 for Thursday, 5 for Friday and 6 for Saturday. Fifth letter of the password is the number of letters in the name of the day. Like Monday has 6 letters, so 6 for Monday. Tuesday has 7 letters, so 7 for Tuesday. Wednesday has 9 letters, so 9 for Wednesday. 8 for Thursday, 6 for Friday, and again 8 for Saturday. So Friday has password HOF56. H is the 8th letter of the English alphabet from the starting. Okay, O is the 10th letter from F, the first letter of Friday. F, the first letter of the name Friday. And 5, the 5th day of the week. And 6, the number of letters in the name Friday. So we got HOF56. Let us see the second question. A shopkeeper sells chocolates with golden wrappers for ₹1 each. When Abbas goes to the shop, the shopkeeper tells him that he can exchange 3 wrappers for a chocolate. Abbas has rupees 15 in his wallet. How many chocolates is he able to get? We have to find out how many chocolates in total he can get in 15 rupees by and even exchanging the wrappers. Well, the answer is 22 chocolates. He can buy or get a total of 22 chocolates. Let us see the explanation. In rupees 15, he buys 15 chocolates and gets 15 wrappers. From 15 wrappers, he buys 15 divided by 3, 5 more chocolates and even gets 5 more wrappers. From those 5 wrappers, he takes out 3 and gives it to the shopkeeper and gets 1 more chocolate, and he has got 2 wrappers remaining. From that 1 chocolate, he takes out the wrapper and now he has total 3 wrappers and buys 1 more chocolate. That is, he gets 1 more chocolate. So in total he has 15 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 22 chocolates, and even a wrapper is left with him. First, from rupees 15 he gets 15 chocolates. Then from those 15 wrappers he gets 5 more chocolates. Now from those 5 wrappers, out of those 3 he gives and gets 1 more chocolate. So from 1 more chocolate, 1 more wrapper plus 2 remaining wrappers. From those total 3 wrappers he gets 1 more chocolate. So total 22. Now let us see question number 3. Suresh, Dinesh and Mahesh have a contest to see who bikes the most distance. Together Suresh and Dinesh bike 21 km. The combined total for Suresh and Mahesh is 19 km. And together Mahesh and Dinesh ride 22 km. So who is the winner? So the answer is Dinesh is the winner. But how? Let us try to understand it. Suresh plus Dinesh travels a total 21 km. Suresh plus Mahesh total 19 km. Mahesh plus Dinesh 22 km. Let us add all these 3. On adding all these 3, we get a total of 2s plus 2d plus 2m equal to 62. Taking 2 common, we get s plus d plus m is equal to 31 on dividing 2. Now, if you subtract the distance travelled by Dinesh plus Mahesh from all the 3, we get 31 minus 22, that is 9 kilometers. So, Suresh travels 9. Similarly, if you subtract s plus m from s plus d plus m, we get Dinesh travels 12 kilometers. And similarly, if you subtract s plus d from all the sum of all the 3 distance, then Mahesh travels 31 plus 21, 10 kilometers. So, now who is the winner? Dinesh travels the most 12 km and therefore he is the winner. The others travel 9 and 10 km respectively. Now let us see question number 4. 3 painters can complete a painting job in 24 days. If 12 more painters join the team 9 days after the work has begun, how many days would be required to complete the job? So the answer for this question is 12 days. Let us see the explanation. Work done by 3 painters in 24 days is 1. Work done by 1 painter in 1 day will be 1 by 72. So work done by 3 workers in 9 days will be 3 by 8. And work left after 9 days will be 1 minus 3 by 8, that is 5 by 8. So the remaining work is done by 3 plus 12, that is 15 painters. Because 12 more painters join after 9 days. So 15 painters, 1 day work is 1 by 72 into 15, that is 5 by 24. So 15 painters can do 5 by 8 work in 3 days. So total days 9 already done by 3 workers and plus 3, 12 days. Now let us see chapter 22. Island Ahoy. There are 1200 islands in India. Let us see some famous ones. Umanand Island. Umanand Island is the world's smallest inhabited river island. It lies in the Brahmaputra River in Guwahati, Assam. The British used to call it the Peacock Island because of its resemblance to the national bird peacock. Majuli Island. The Brahmaputra is also home to the world's largest river island, Majuli, which is also in Assam. However, it has lost much of its area due to erosion by the river. Barren Island. Barren Island in the Andaman Sea has India's only active volcano, the Barren volcano. Sriharikota Island. Sriharikota, which lies off the coast of Andhra Pradesh, is the base of the Satish Dhawan Space Center, which is India's primary rocket launching center. Cattle Island. The Cattle Island in the Hirakud Reservoir in Odisha is home to cattle left behind by villagers who were displaced by the building of the Hirakud Dam. As a result of their isolation, the cattle on the island turned wild over time. The North Sentinel Island. The North Sentinel Island in the Andaman in the Bay of Bengal is the home to the Sentinelese, an isolated tribe that has always rejected contact with the outsiders. Dr. Abdul Kalam Island. Dr. Abdul Kalam Island off the coast of Odisha houses the integrated test and missile testing facility. Now let us see match the columns of this chapter. In column A we have the name of some islands and in column B the name of the states. 1 number, Diwar Islands are in Goa, therefore it will match with C. 2, Bet Dwarka is in Gujarat, so it matches with A, Gujarat. 3, Muro Islands are in Kerala, so 3, E number. 4, Pamban Islands, B, Tamil Nadu. And 5, Mandhata Island in Madhya Pradesh. So 5 matches with D. Now let us see something which sounds interesting. The city of Mumbai originally consisted of 7 islands which were merged into one large landmass with the help of land reclamation. We will watch the chapters 23, 24 and 25 in the next video. Till then, thank you. This is the end of